So the question will be given by the chairman of the board of judges. Are you ready?
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening din po.
The question is, who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why?
Thank you for that question. Para po sa akin is, wala po akong pipiliin kung sino po sa kanila ang isa po sa pinaka-the best. Dahil para po sa akin, dalawa po, sila po na aking magulang, ang aking mama at papa, ang pinaka-the best po sa buong mundo. At dahil po, sila po ang nagturo sa akin ng magandang asal sapagkat kaya po pinipili ko po ang sagot na silang dalawa po ang pinaka magandang bagay po na meron ako dito sa mundo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you. Luciano Samuel.
The question is, who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why?
For me, I don't want to choose because at a young age, my mother died and my father was only left for me. And I'm thankful that I have parents today. And I know that those experiences of mine have a purpose. And I believe that my love for my mother and father reaches the boundaries of life and death. Thank you.
For Subukiana Magbabalil, and your question will be coming from our chairman of the board of judges.
Good evening, and this is your question. Who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why?
For me po, wala po akong pipiliin sa kanilang dalawa. They are both best for me kasi po they provide my needs. They support me for whatever I want to do in my life, especially guiding me throughout my school year and for my future. And I thank you.
Thank you. Luciano Magbabalil.
And this is your question. Who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why? Who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why?
The best person would be my mother and father because they both raised me with pure love, with pure guidance. They didn't let me get out of their side. Hindi nila ako pinabayaan na lumaki lang sa lansangan. Ginabayan nila ako na lumaki ng ganito. Na may takot sa Diyos, may takot sa karma. Pinalaki nila ako ng mabuti. Pinalaki nila ako maging mabuti sa mga kapwa-tao. Hindi nila ako hinayaan lumaki na maging masama. Nandyan sila palagi para suportahan ako. Nandyan sila palagi kapag kailangan ko. Nandyan sila kapag humihingi ako ng tulong, ng advice. Palagi sila nandyan. At ramdam na ramdam ko kanilang pagmamahal. Simulat sa pool hanggang ngayon. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Who will be the best person for you? Your mother or your father? Why?
Definitely, I believe that my mother is the best person that I have. You know what? In 9 months, my mother has suffered a lot. And I want to share you a story about myself. Before I was born, my mother almost sacrificed her life to save me. And for me, that is the best thing that I have is that my mother is selfless and that she can love us more than herself. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you.